Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to make a hard Yeat type beat. First, let's lay down the foundation with some impactful drums. Begin by selecting a punchy 808 and crafting a simple yet effective pattern. Next, layer your claps and snares to give your beat that signature snap. Don't forget to add some intricate hi-hat patterns, varying their velocities to create a dynamic and engaging groove. This initial drum work is crucial for setting the right vibe. Now, let's dive into the melodic elements that define a Yeat type beat. Select some dark, ethereal synth sounds to create your main melody. Experiment with arpeggiators to generate intricate and evolving patterns that grab the listener's attention. To add more depth, introduce a subtle counter melody using a different synth, ensuring it complements the main theme without clashing. These melodic layers are key to achieving that signature hypnotic sound. With your drums and melodies in place, it's time to enhance the low end and add some crucial effects. Reinforce your 808 with a subtle sub-bass layer to give it even more weight and presence. Apply distortion and saturation to your 808 to achieve that characteristic gritty, aggressive texture. For your synths, use reverb and delay sparingly to create a sense of space and atmosphere without making the mix muddy. These elements will truly make your beat hit hard. Finally, let's arrange and mix your beat to perfection. Structure your track with clear sections, incorporating impactful drops and exciting buildups to maintain listener engagement. Carefully mix your drums and melodies, ensuring each element has its own space and contributes to a cohesive sound. Remember, a clean mix is essential for a professional-sounding track. Also, life's too short for a stinky car, so check the description for a link to Little Trees, Black Ice, and other great deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.